Hello and welcome back everybody. I'm Teenage Stacker, and today you'll be looking at why I, as a teenager, stack gold and silver. Before we start, if you could leave a like on this video if you enjoyed, and leave a dislike if you didn't. And if you really enjoyed it, consider subscribing. It really helps out my channel. Sit back, relax, grab a snack, and enjoy the show. Now, my first reason why I stack gold and silver is because it's my investment. So, I think of gold and silver as an investment. It might be a hedge, or not gold anyway, it's more silver is a hedge, but gold is just my store of value. Silver is sort of like that, but more of a speculative guess on how I think things are going to be going. I personally think that hyperinflation is going to occur, and I think that this is the best way to combat that. If hyperinflation does occur, or when it occurs, more like, even though central banks and stuff say, we've got things under control, and they've been convincing investors that everything is fine, they're going to bail out as many companies, even junk bonds, as much as they can. And I don't think that's going to end very well, so I'm sticking with gold and silver for now. I'm going to invest a little bit in stocks and bond, or I've already got bonds, but stocks and those more traditional investments when I turn 18. But I'm going to do it at a smaller scale, unless prices have really dipped down, and I know that things are going to go back up. The second reason why I stack gold and silver is to store my wealth. I kind of touched on this before, and this is mainly where gold comes into play. Most of my stack is gold, even though I've only got 2.5 ounces of gold compared to 132 ounces of silver. But gold is much more dense, as you guys probably already know, and it's a much more condensed store of value. So gold per ounce right now, I think, is around $2,400, $2,300, and that's where I put most of my money in. So a lot of my wealth is in gold and silver, but mainly gold because it's just the safest thing that I can do right now. And the third reason why is to save for other investments as well. So instead of keeping all my money in a bank where it could potentially just disappear, inflate away into nothing, I store it in here, so in the future, when I turn 18, I can buy real estate, because real estate, as well as gold and silver, is a real asset. Everyone needs a house, everyone needs a place to live, and that's another reason why I stack gold and silver, so I can save for those things risk-free, or pretty much risk-free. Gold and silver is pretty much the safest investment you can possibly have. And, this real estate market fluctuates up and down as well, but everyone needs a home, everyone needs to be somewhere. I think that's just better to have most of my money in gold and silver, and then buy real estate when markets are high, or markets are low, but gold and silver is high. Because when real estate prices really dip down, gold and silver will most likely, or at least I think will, shoot through the roof, and that means I can sell this, or at least a little bit. I'm not going to sell all of it, but I can sell some of this, put it into real estate, and then I've got hard assets in gold and silver and in real estate, which I just think is the best thing to do. Now, the fourth reason, which is kind of a bonus reason, is because of the fun coins. So, I've got some numismatics in my room. I've got some copper coins, which are fun. That isn't gold and silver, but I like these, like these Morgans and stuff. They're really nice. But, yeah, these are really nice. But those are more just fun things. I've got a bunch of Royal Canadian Mint coins that aren't even an ounce of silver. But, you have to pay, $100 plus for those coins because they're collectible numismatic coins. I really like those. I don't buy them too often, but I do buy them sometimes. I've got 5 of the Royal Canadian Mint ones, and 3 of them are in those cases, which I think next video is going to be about my numismatics, so look for that next Friday. So yeah, those are the reasons why I, as a teenager, stack in gold and silver. And don't worry, I'm happy touching these. I saw some of the comments saying, don't touch your gold and silver. Yeah, I don't touch most of it. Like these coins here, I usually don't touch except for this one here. These coins right here, these 10 coins, I can touch. This is kind of like my beater coin. I flip it and stuff. You can see a bunch of scrapes and bashes and stuff in there. But most of these coins here, I don't mind touching because I'm just stacking for the weight and bullion, but I am not really touching these too often, or I'm wearing gloves if I do watch them, if I do touch them. So don't worry about that. Thanks for the concern, but you know, I just mainly stack for the bullion weight. That's another thing as well. I stack for the bullion weight, not for the premium. So I stack government bullion because of it's safe, and it's also illegal to counterfeit because it's actual legal tenders. See there, $5 in the back there. So it's illegal to counterfeit because it's real real money, or yeah, currency. Because this is money, currency is, you know, this stuff. Yeah. So thank you for watching. If you liked it, leave a like. If you didn't like it, you know, there's another button for that. And if you really liked it, consider subscribing. It really helps out my channel. Almost at 40 subscribers, which is awesome. I've already have 1,100 views, which is amazing. That I didn't think that would happen at all. I thought I would get like 10 views between all of my videos. So thank you guys for that, and thank you for everyone who has subscribed. It really means a lot to me. All right, thank you. I'll see you next Friday.